Today we are at one of Food City's full-service meat department, giving you tips for planning your holiday centerpiece. I have with me Kip Kern, one of our Food City meat experts, and he's going to be giving us a little bit more in-depth knowledge about what our certified butchers at Food City can offer you.
Yeah, on each one of our Food Cities we have a certified butcher. If you're coming in looking for a certain cut or a certain size or a certain quantity, even on tips on how to prepare and cook a lot of our cuts and stuff that we have, they can get you pointed in the right direction.
Yes, and I think today in the grocery store experience, being able to have somebody that's a true expert, that when you're buying something to feed your family, you want it to be festive, a beautiful presentation, they're going to give you that confidence and really those ideas and tips of how to do that.
Yeah, like I said, we can even like when the holidays come up, if you're looking for a tide roast or something in particular, like something real special like that that's going to wow your guests, they can get you took care of.
Yes, so if you need help with special cuts, special orders, how to maybe start your process of cooking at home, visit a Food City store and let a certified butcher guide you through that process.